Yeah, we have to give this one up for my island girls, you know. And yo, right now we are showcase two of my bad boys, my Drake Patty and my Drake Ocean. Knock them on, watch it.
From the dark until dawning, and now I'm looking in your eyes in the morning. And then you look at me, girl, and smile, 'cause you know I treat you right all the while. Nowhere else in the world I've been, no more beautiful women I've seen, where the sky is clear and the grass is green. Island girls, you are a man's best dream. And every time I do a show, got a bunch of local girls all in the front row. They know in other words and the way the song goes, bodies bouncing all around like they're playing the bongo. And you know they wanna come to the party, kick it with the Hutu crew and get naughty. Turn up the stereo so she can shake her body. Baby girl, I love it when you call me Big Party. Yeah.
It would be island woman, without the beauty all around. When you go do man, when I cruise against the wall and looking all around the club, exotic island girls moving in a rubber dub. I say, if I had one of these girls as my companion, we'd be looking at all the stars under the banyan. Been all around the world and see what them countries got to offer. Love what I see, but it don't impress me, 'cause the island girls is looking more proper. Soul wara meri me talking you number one, favorite wrong all island man. So I be sending all my love to the princess of the sea, Melanesian, Micronesian, Polynesian, you.